Hello everyone. Hey, hey, hey. How are we doing? Hello Capi. Hello the latest trends. How are you guys doing today? Bonjour Nat. How are you doing Nat? You good? Just catching up. Good and you? Yeah, good, good, good. All good today. It's nice. The market is doing okay. Had nice couple days too. I feel fresh. Hello Baka. Hello Baka. Hope you're doing well, man. So guys, let me know. It's Tuesday. How did you start the week regarding the markets? Let me put some music. It's boring without music. So let's put some. All right. What can we get? Something chill, right? Because it's the morning. Yeah. Not a bad idea. Okay. So we're going to start with the daily as usual. I noticed something interesting this morning when I was checking the charts. If you look at the daily layout just here, and if you take the value area, morning is your Discord a good place for beginners. Hello, happy doing now. I would say the best people to talk about that, to answer that question, would be the members. And we have a few members in the chat right now. We have Vae, for example. Hello Vae, right on time. We have CryptoSysNat as well. We have Capi. We have Baka. So I think they can answer instead of me. So it will be more authentic. If I can say. If you want my personal opinion, I would say yes. I think it's friendly for beginners. I think it's very friendly because the team is not like it's not composed of people with a big ego, so they take the time to explain everything. To reassure the members, we also offer the one-to-one sessions, and the one-to-one sessions are tailored for every level of experience. So if you're like an experienced trader, like a seasoned trader, and you want to refine your strategy during a one-one or to talk about your struggles, then it's perfect. But also if you're a beginner and you want to learn about the basics, it's also perfect. You also have a lot of classes and replay recordings that you can watch again. So yeah, it's very, just my personal opinion. Maybe people will disagree, but I think it's very beginners friendly. That being said, I wanted to talk about the daily layout on BTC, and I was trying to tell, if you take the value area, so the fixed range volume profile, okay, from the impulsive move that started on Trump election rally, okay, so basically here I will point this out, right here, okay. So if you take the volume profile from that point and you extend to the right, then you obtain this value area. I highlighted this again for the stream, all right? But just in case you cannot see it properly, it goes from here to here. So this is our value area, okay? Value area high, value area low, and point of control. What you can see is that yesterday we had this interesting thing that happened. Okay, here, right here, okay, we had a retest of the value area low, and we had a nice rejection, right? So if you are long, it's definitely something that you want to take into consideration. It's very important. You don't want to round trip your profits whatever your entry is. Okay, so don't forget to take your partials. Also, you should keep in mind that we had a high, lower high, lower high, and this might be a lower high again. We also had lower low, lower low, lower low. Okay, so for now we are in a downtrend, and this is a lower high. So yesterday, absolutely everyone was excited, and you know, during those times, it's perfect time to be cautious. Do you have any questions regarding that? Are we good? I think it's pretty simple to identify this, but if you need a textbook stuff, you have. So this is currently the BTC chart, okay? And right now we are here. All right, and we had our value area being like this approximately, okay? Oh, it's buggy. What's happening? Oh, wow, okay, trading views, yeah, okay. So we have something like this, and currently we are here. Okay? Why do you use Coinbase and not Binance, for example? Because I am an old boomer. I am an old guy, and I used Coinbase like a while ago, and I don't know, it's just a habit. It's just a habit. There's no, it's just personal preference, and also being lazy for changing the layout. That's it. There is absolutely no like reason that makes sense, Cappy. You can use Binance, you can use whatever you want. If I'm not mistaken, I think Coinbase allows more history on the chart as well. It goes up to 2014. And if we go to Binance, I'm not sure. Yeah, you see, 2020. All right. So if you need a reason, then that's your reason, more history. So it's easier to go back in time on that chart, on that spot chart. Because it's spot, by the way, it's not perps, it's spot. Okay, so is that clear with the BTC daily chart, guys? All good? But also, I know when you want to min-max as a beginner, when you start your journey during trading, you might imagine that this is important to choose the proper exchange to chart, but it doesn't matter, to be honest, okay? It doesn't matter. So for real, don't take this into consideration. If you prefer to use Binance, use Binance. Prefer to use Bybit, use Bybit. It doesn't change a lot. I would suggest to stick with Binance and Coinbase though, because you have the most volume happening. So if it's clear, we move to H12, which is here. So more LTF. All right. We can even move to H4. There is a mark here because this is the target. Okay, that's my target. I am long and I'm expecting something like this. All right, on LTF. So if you look at the H4, we zoom in. Inside the HTF structure, we have a bullish structure. Okay. All right, guys. Why? Because we had this move. We had this move here. Sorry, I fucked up with the mouse. We have this here. I will try to go on a blank chart so it's easier for everyone to understand. All right, we can remove. All right, because we had the move here. Okay, with a high here, then we had higher low, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high again. Okay, so inside the HTF downtrend, we have this small LTF uptrend. Okay, guys, so the plan for today will be to identify the potential rejection level, so the resistance, and the potential long re-entry. Hello, Lex made it. Is it Lex Matic? Could be. Hello, Naziaut. Nice, bro. Thank you, man. So why do I have this as a level? Basically because if you look here, support, 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 support. We lost the support, we had a sell-off. Okay, and here, fake out, bearish retest, drop. Don't know who that is, so no. Okay. It was a guy from Crypto Trader, and his name was Lex Matic. So I thought you just changed the name to Lex Made It. That's but just I was just curious. So that's why I have this area for an exit on that long. Okay. Obviously, the most bullish scenario, I think you got it because it's really obvious. The most bullish scenario would be to reclaim that level. Okay, and it would open the gate for 96, 97. All right, so if you miss the move, don't worry, you'll have plenty of opportunities. But for now, we are a bit in the middle of nowhere. It's definitely not the area where you want to go long. You don't want to take risk here. So we're gonna go back to our blank chart and we're gonna try to find, because we talk about the potential rejection area, but where we could re-enter the trade. We're gonna figure it out together. Wait, why is the value area low not the same on H4 as it is on the daily? Because, wait, we're gonna figure that out. That's a good question actually. I think it's because different exchange. Coinbase, Spot, okay, Coinbase Spot, Binance Perps. Yeah, because it's the same starting point. It's exactly the same starting point. While it slightly differs like that to be more accurate, and then you have something like this. Okay, wait, we're gonna check. Wait, Lex made it. Maybe it's because there was a slightly difference and we're gonna check together. So wait. Maybe it's not misleading. We're gonna do things properly here. Okay, so this is our value area. Okay, value area high and value area low. Okay, so this is 86.5 and this is 85.5. Yeah, it's still different. It's still different, so it's because of the exchange. So yeah, that could be misleading. That could be misleading. But for the intraday, we're gonna use this. Okay, for intraday trading, we're gonna use this. On BTC, I have Monday low, H1, EMA. What EMA not? Be accurate, please. We're trying to be professional. 100, we're gonna check. In H1OB for long, do you think this is a good entry? 50 EMA crossing 100. Okay, we're gonna check that together, guys. We go back to the blank chart. So for instance, we have the value area low just here at 85.5. Okay. So we go back here. H4. Just making sure. Yeah, it's $50 difference, so it's fine. So on H4 we have this. The first thing that I do notice, so what we said, we have a bullish structure on LTF. So obviously we want to keep that low. Okay, so we will try to find an entry somewhere around here. All right, so the first thing that we do notice on H4, we have this area that can be a potential demand area for a long. Now that's too big, I don't like, because it's not accurate and we want to be accurate. It's very important for intraday, keep that in mind. Okay, so what do we have on H1? On H1, we're gonna focus on the break of structure that we have just here. Okay, and the latest order block that led to that move is here on H1. So we're gonna see if it's aligned with Nat's plan. Okay, EMA 100 you said? Yeah, I'm pretty sure you talk about the same OB because I can see your EMA 100 is right here. Okay, EMA, we're gonna just reduce the thickness. It's a bit too thick, right? It's weird. It's not supposed to be that thick. Okay. Weird. Very weird. That one. Perfect. Morning. Have I missed much? We are right into the TA, Kundai. So, good morning, brother. Welcome. Take a seat. And let's find an entry together. Now, what we said, you want to keep in mind. This is why we're trying to use our brain together. 85.5. Okay, if we go to that chart with the value area low, 85.52. Okay, so we have some confluence, right? So Nat, you said we have the EMA, we have the OB, what else? Monday low. Okay, we have also the EMA, the VWAP on monthly. Okay, you see that purple line? That purple line just here, that's the monthly VWAP. Okay, this is the weekly. We went back below, so that's our monthly VWAP. Okay, and you said Monday low. That's 100% correct. Monday low. So we have a lot of confluence, we can say. A lot of confluence. Monday low, EMA 100, order block right here. So we're going to definitely set an alert inside that OB. And value area low as well. Keep in mind, this is also the value area low. Okay, guys? The chart will be confusing for a few minutes. Okay. Pattern control right here. Okay. And value area low here as well. All right. Anchored VWAP, maybe we're going to try to find as much confluence as we can. Let's start with the bottom right here. Okay, and we have the top of the anchored VWAP as well. We have a lot of confluence. I like it. Yeah, so for today, guys, what we do? How do we enter here? You place limit orders, what we do? That sol trade last week was OP, thank you, closed a bit early, but was a beauty to study. And so was Ethereum, good shot to study. I have questions about Ethereum whenever we start ETH. After BTC we start ETH, but thank you, brother. I hope you made some money with the Solana trade. That was pretty easy one. Not to be cocky or whatever, but as I said on Twitter, it was the start of the big impulsive move that led to an all-time high. So that was obviously a key level. And as you can see here, we had a sweep. All right, if you analyze the chart, we had a nice sweep here. Sorry, because I have buttons on the mouse. It's a gaming mouse. So we had a nice sweep. Then we had a retest. So for me, it was definitely a level where we wanted to try a long. And for now, as you can see, we're at point of control. So we're going to talk about this later, but you don't enter here, right? You definitely don't enter here. You're going to wait for a pullback towards this area. Okay, we're going to explain later. H4 is interesting. It seems to find support about 8 hours ago. On BTC, yeah. So Nat, because you talked about this, what you going to do if you're still here? EMA 200 as well, good. On BTC, yep. Put alerts. Yeah, and when you have your alerts, let's say you put your alerts. How are we gonna enter the trade, guys? If we do enter, what's gonna be the condition? Alex made it. Smart. I just have alert set. I would wait for a sweep inside the demand. I guess you wanted to say a sweep, but you might be hungry, right? Guys, our brother Nat is angry. He's hungry. Feed the troll. Give her some sweets. Wait for New York. Yeah, first. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe you should get some, I don't know, Doritos or Maltesers or Pringles if you have some. So yeah, exactly. We're gonna wait for a sweep, and as Lex made it said, and as Nat said as well, I would like a sweep of Monday low. So first condition, we're gonna wait for US Open in a few hours, and yeah, this is what we want. We might even have a touch on that EMA 200, okay, and even that monthly VWAP. All right. So definitely we're gonna wait for a sweep. And this can be the trade of the day. All right. And we would have something like, let's say, wait. Where is the, it's encode VWAP, it's here. Let's say we enter here. All right. And we'll have a stop loss below that EMA 200. So yeah, we will have a nice trade. This is our intra. Okay. Last week we had a deep sweep of Monday low and reclaim. Yeah, last week was crazy. It was crazy. Bit CPA was trash, but now we have something clean. Okay, we have something very clean. Now look, we're gonna clean everything. Okay. You can airdrop the Maltesers to me though. Will do. Will do. I will ship them right to you. I'll tell Gucci to send them to you since you won a giveaway already. We know the address. You're gonna have a big box of Maltesers. Get ready. All right, so now current top. We're gonna do something clean. Melts in your mouth, not in your hand. I'll be waiting. Yeah, wait. You can wait. Join late. Good morning. What's up, Insider? What's up? All right. This is our break of structure. Where is my boss? Okay, it's here. Break of structure. This is our current low. All right. This is our current high. Will you short it here? No. I will explain why. I will explain to you again, but maybe some people already know the answer and you can tell. All right, and we have our OB right here on H1. It could be a bearish retest of the previous swing high. It could be, but the thing is we are still on LTF, okay? Talking LTF, on LTF we're still in an uptrend. Yeah, exactly. As Nat said, we're still in an uptrend. Here I don't have enough information to short. And if we go back, brother, if we go back to our Binance chart on H12, this is where I would short. Okay, if we continue to go up in the uptrend, this is where I would short. Why? Because that was a previous key support level. And usually in trading, technically, a previous key support level is watched by traders and market participants as a potential rejection area. All right. So this is where I would short. You see, I have an alert, 90.5. The alert is set. Until then, I don't want to short. The other reason the other scenario where I would short is if we lose that structure and we do a bearish retest of that area. I know it's a bit messy now, but I'm pretty sure you understand. So yeah, those are the two short scenarios. That one here, that one here. If we lose the structure, because as you can see, look, it's going to be gross, but we have that uptrend. So if we lose that uptrend and we do a bearish retest, this is a short. Okay? Is it clear? All right. And we're going to put that EMA. So this is the setup for today. So you wouldn't short price now because it's no man's land. Yeah, I wouldn't short, I wouldn't long. I would just do nothing, to be honest. I would just do nothing. We just wait. And I'm still in my long also. I'm still in long, so. CME gap under the OB. Let's check. That's a very good remark. that CME gap here. That's correct. That's correct. Anyway, you know why we're not bothered by the CME gap? Because whatever happens, we're going to wait for a sweep anyway. We're going to wait for a sweep of that level before we enter the trade, if we do. Can you check hype? Yep. But is it clear? Everything is clear? The plan for the day? Because guys, we're doing TA market analysis, but we are also doing the plan for the day. It's cleaner on H4. Let's check. On H4, you have something slightly different. You have that EMA 100 and the OB that is just here. It works too, though. Will open interest peak as a signal of potentially, man. Open interest can go up for days. It can go down for days. We're gonna base our analysis solely on TA. Okay. So we move. Can we move to if? If was interesting enough as well. So we go back to H4. We'll check. We will check open interest if you want just after Abby. First, we're gonna focus on here. So if you were in the Discord, we had that entry, okay? We had that entry planned in advance. We planned the move to the downside, okay? We had an entry 1 just here, a bit of history, okay, to be transparent. So we had the first entry here with the move up. And then what we did, we said we go break even. So we got stopped out break even here. I will use colors. Okay, we got stopped out break even right here. And we said our second entry, this was planned days in advance. Okay, so we had the second entry here. And that was indeed the bottom. So that was proper risk management. It was I was very happy with the trading management of these positions because we had a first entry, not the best. So we got stopped break even. Risk was managed, loss mitigated. And then we had the plan B, and the plan B appeared to be the plan A. Okay. And for now, we got the bottom. Now what we do? Personally, as I said, my target was that high. Okay, this was my initial target. So I took 50% of profits. Now what we do? If you move to H4, okay, you can see you have that big OB, all right? And as I often say I like to do, you just put the middle line, okay? And that was pixel perfect, okay? So either you think this is a bearish retest and you exit the position. I'm not going to exit the position, to be honest. I will try to continue to ride the uptrend. I'm not going to exit. So I will try to find another long entry to add to my position. Similar as BTC, as you can see, we're going to try to spot the break of structure. It's here, continuation, all right, break of structure bull. And what is the point of origination of that BOS? Yep, exactly. That OB right here. Okay. Now we're going to try to find some confluence. So what we do, view up, no confluence. EMA, 100, 200. It's not the best. Okay. It could be better. All right. Could be better. Fibs. Swing low, swing high. Oh, now it gets interesting. We have the OTE right here. Golden pocket right here, OTE right here. It gets interesting. What else? What else? Imbalance. FVG. Whatever you want to call it. Okay. It gets even more interesting now. All right. Monday low, Monday high, something. Monday low as well. Perfect. Now we have our confluence. We know our interest will be triggered right here. Okay. So if you are in a long, this is where you're going to add to the position. If you're not, this is where you're going to try to enter the trade. Okay. Clear for everyone? Makes sense. Oh, H1 bullish order block, perfect. All right. If you're bearish, remember this is why you want to enter your short trade. Okay, because we have the same configuration. We had an FVG to be filled here. We have that H4 bearish order block, everything. It was also a previous support level. All right. So if you're bearish, you have your short entry right here. Now you even have something a bit more accurate. You could have a retest right here and you could try a short. All right. You could definitely try something like this. Okay, it makes sense. Yeah, it would make sense. Its value are high there too, going to that OB. Where did you start your volume profile, Nat? Your highs here. Maybe the starting point is that low here. Who knows? Definitely not. On H1, March 10. March 10. March 10. Ah, that one, okay. Wait, I'm gonna try to see what you're talking about. March 10. Oh, value area high is here. Okay, okay. I thought you were saying it's here. Yeah, nice, nice one. Good catch. Very good catch. You see, guys, Nat has been learning in CRG. You said, is it beginner friendly? Yeah, it is. All right. So yeah, nice confluence, Nat. Monday low, H1 bullish order block, value area high. A lot of things. Yep, yep, yep. And if you pull the fibs, don't forget to pull the fibs. You have the OT as well. So we have something really good for continuation. Let me get my fuel. So is it good for if you have the plan for the day? So once again, don't forget alerts. You can set your alerts and then we move on to the next. Can you do stocks like coin? Yeah, if you want, we can do 1 or 2 stocks. Yeah. Absolutely, man. No problem. S&P is doing well. I am in a long on S&P, by the way. I entered on the breakout here. I will target this. We'll see what happens. I am on an S&P long on CFT. Sol, because we talked about Solana, and it's still one of my fav. So we did the analysis on the daily. Okay. Yeah, this is still our value area. Perfect. So as you can see on Sol, why we did enter the trade. First, to begin with, if you look here, back it was last year, yeah. Last year we were on a massive range, okay, with range low, range high, range low, range high, range low, breakout. Okay, we were on a massive range, and this was the start of the impulsive move that led to the all-time high. Okay, all-time high here, retest, all-time high again. All right, so definitely that was not a level to be ignored. All right, that was the first thing. Second thing, as you can see, we have a volume profile set here. Okay, and this is our value area. So we have the value area low as well, just here, value area high just here, and we had the sweep here. Okay, similar to what happened right here. Thanks for the live. Going back to charts, I've subscribed and set notifications. Good, man. My pleasure. My pleasure. Appreciate. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you very much. So as you can see, we had the sweep, something similar. Sweep again. All right. So for me, that was indeed a good level to try and risk a little bit. Okay, invalidation was also easy. Okay, when I posted on Twitter and in the Discord, we were here. All right, so if you have something like that, what we said, invalidation below 110, and you see the risk reward is nice. The risk reward is very nice. We are being quite conservative, not too optimistic. Below 200 is still, yeah, I think it's still conservative, and this is also a logical level. If you look here, all right, definitely a logical level. It's not being too bullish, it's not being too bearish. I think it's just a good TP. Okay, well, that was the plan. We're gonna see if we have anything aligned. We have the 0.38.2. We can even refine. We can refine that trade. We can target the 0.38.2. And I'm pretty sure we still have a very good trade. Yeah, you see, perfect. All right, now we have a nice move up, 16% up. This is massive, right? So once again, because you're gonna tell me, yeah, but I missed the trade, what can I do? We're gonna do the same thing as we did with BTC and ETH. We're gonna refine. So what we can see here on H12, first we're at POC, so you don't long here. You definitely don't want to long here. I would say it's better to short here because it's a resistance, so it can make sense to try something. But still, we're in an uptrend on LTF, so I wouldn't try personally. H4. All right, what we do notice. Can someone tell me, based on the TA that we did on BTC and ETH, what can you guys tell? I'm waiting. Go. Go, go, go. Happy doing now. Boss, OB, etc. Boss plus H4OB. That's really cool because you guys can also see that you can have a routine. You can have a routine with the same, like the same tools and FVG as well. Yeah, exactly. For me, we are retesting the breaker. Retesting the breaker? You mean this? I see what you mean, H4. I see what you mean. Yeah, that could be a thing. Yeah, that could be a thing, definitely. But it's too late now. It's a bit too late because we bounced from it. So if you miss that one, we're gonna do the same as we did on BTC and ETH. First, we spot H4. Here we have a bullish order block. And why are we gonna focus on that one and not on that one, for example? Because this is where we initiated the move that led to the break of structure. All right. Also, we have that FVG. And by the way, you have this setup on link too. Yeah, I'm already in a long on link. I shared link in the Discord net. It was shared a few days ago. So we also have that FVG, correct? We have the golden pocket right here. All right. Do we have Monday low or something? No VWAP. We have the monthly VWAP aligned with the breaker, by the way. This is interesting. We're gonna check link after. Monday low here. Good. Okay, we have the EMA 200 right here. Nice. Interesting. What do we have on H1? H1, you have the EMA 200 and Monday low here. Good. That's very good. We have a nice confluence. Very nice confluence. So what we're gonna do, alerts once again, 132. Okay, 132. We can set our alert. All right, and we'll wait again for a sweep of Monday low and to stay inside that order block, and then we can enter. And the setup will look like this, something similar to this. Okay, with a stop loss below that low here, below that the wick that will be created. We'll see what happened, and we'll have a 3.4 risk to reward trade. Perfect, right? We are good for Solana, guys? Are we good? That's true, we have the breaker. Clean plan, yes, perfect. So usually I would tell you that's enough for today. I like to stick when the market is still uncertain. I like to stick with the what I call the Trinity for me. It's BTC, Ethereum, and Solana. So most of the time that's enough. I don't really want to go with alts. I think they are too tricky. So I would tell you that's fine. But you can give me some request. You can request some charts if you want, and we will see what we can do. Long sold yesterday on breaker. I target the monthly open, tight stop loss, a good risk reward. I'm still in your sol long. Okay, so you're still in the sol long, but you added on the breaker. That's a good catch. That's a good catch. You have that breaker here, and you also have, if you look, the monthly view up. Yep. But be careful because you have a lot of imbalance, and market tends to feel these imbalances. So pay attention to that guy. Okay. Link and then hype. I will show you TIA. I have a short setup on TIA. Look at that. We had the sweep, so let's see if we close that H4 in 1 hour. We had the sweep of Monday high, which is good. Wait. I'm gonna clean this a bit. I'm sorry. I know I said link and then hype, but that TIA looked good. I had this short setup, as I said. Like that. Okay. And you can target mid-range. Okay, I have this on TIA. Now we have the sweep. So let's see how we close at H4 in 59 minutes. So link. Okay, link very strong, but we're at resistance now. Okay, so we gotta be careful with that one. For the history on link, it was shared. We were below res, so I posted in the Discord. I was expecting a move down. Okay, so we had the move down, and I was targeting the POC and that OB right here to go for a long. So we got the long, and now we have a nice 11% up, which is really good. All right. So that said, we have a similar setup, the same setup. Let's see if that's true. Okay, POC is here now. So same. What we notice, obviously HTF, we are in a downtrend, but within that HTF downtrend, we are in an uptrend on LTF. Okay, as you can see, once again, pretty easy. That's basic. If you're in the Discord, go to the replay, market structure class. Okay, we have a low. We made like a high here, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Okay, so we're gonna try to enter, to ride that uptrend and to enter on a higher low, obviously. Okay. All right. So what we're gonna try to identify, we see on H4 we don't have that much information. We're gonna check EMA. Okay, we have that EMA 100. I do like because it looks like we could have something interesting around here because you see the candles, it looks like an OB. Very interesting. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna zoom in, H1. Anyway, we do intraday. So we like H1, M30, M15. Okay, it's still flying, but if we get a retracement, if we get a solid retracement, we see we have a massive bullish order block right here. That's too big for me, okay, to be accurate. So I will try to move in to M30. Yeah, we have this, we can refine and use that. And we go to M15 now. And we have something like this. All right. Okay. So we can go back to H1. Now we have our zone. Take this one. Perfect. Okay. Now that's good. All right. H1 bullish order block. Where is it? Okay, it's here. Let me increase the volume of the music. Good. If it's too loud, you tell me, okay? So we have this. What else? Okay, we have that EMA 200. Just here aligned with that candle. Still, I'm not gonna use it, to be honest. I'm not gonna use it. It's too large to have an accurate entry. VWAPs, nothing. Oh, we have Mondelo. Okay, we have the Mondelo. So it's pretty similar to everything else. Mondelo, bullish order block, EMA. We're gonna try to see if we have confluence with Fibonacci's. Ah, we have OT. Yeah, so it's confluence, guys. We like that. We really like that. And if we pull the volume profile from here again, no, nothing else. Okay. So I will use another layout so we can have a clean plan together. Okay. So what we said, wait, I will just try to. Okay. Any questions in the meantime? Okay, we see we're struggling to close that H1 above. We can see that can be interesting. That could be a nice short too, guys. That could be a very good short. If we close, let's say that M15, you see that? Liquidity buildup. That could be a very good short. Yep. Something like yeah. So let's see how we close, how we manage to close. And we said we also have the OT, right? So we take the swing low, which is here. Okay. What's up, Robbie? Hope you're doing well, man. Just trying to, yeah, 60 maybe to have something clean. Okay, perfect. 57. Good. Okay, now we have something clean. What we do, okay, stochastic RSI is very high. We also have a bearish divergence going up. So yeah, definitely time to be cautious. We set the alert. Hey bro, crypto gambling here. All good. Hope you're smashing it after Japan and Korea refreshment. Yeah, man. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. It was very good for the head. And now we are back and we enjoy. Like, I enjoy doing it again. I really do enjoy. So yeah, really doing well. Thank you, man. I hope you too. I hope you too. So we can set the alert at 14:20, something like that. Okay, guys? And we would have a setup looking like this. Okay? Depending on the sweep that we have, we will have a stop loss moving. But even if we take that low into consideration, we have a very good trade with that setup. 3.5 is good. 3.5 is really good. So that's the setup that we have. All good for Link, guys? Nat, you approve? Is it not approved? We could have also this. I approve, good. From where to where you pull the fibs? From that swing low just here. All right. You see on H4, swing low, swing high. Okay? Because if you look at the structure, you had your lower, your low, lower low, lower low, higher low, sorry, higher high, higher high, higher high again. So you take your swing low, swing high, and you have your fib levels. Okay? And you have a chart looking like that one. Pretty clean, no? Pretty clean. What do you think? And that makes me think I should probably take some profits on that link trade. So wait, I'm just gonna be AFK for a minute, just taking the profits. Very important. I already took profits, okay. Yeah, I'm smart. I'm gonna take a bit more. Just in case. Alright, this is good. And I think I am already in the TIA short. Let me check. Yeah, the TIA short is in profits as well. This is cool. That's very cool. I might take it also with the CFT account. Give me a minute. What's the size? Oh, that's a lot, okay. What's the stop loss? Okay. Can you show Tia again? Yeah, sparkly clean. Thank you, man. Thank you. So I took profits on the link long and I'm gonna wait for the 50 minutes to see how it closes to go short or not. Okay, but you have the plan. You definitely have it, okay? Tia was like this, man. The Tia setup is that one. Why? Because we have a range, as you can see. All right. Monday high, swept and rejection. So we could have a short towards the mid-range. All right. That was based on the daily as well. As you can see. Okay. You take that information, you see a lot of rejection here. All right. You have a lot of information. All good? How would you enter the link shorts? Good question. I'd wait for the H1 close for sure. Yeah, I would be waiting for that H1 close and I would like to see H1 closing below Monday high. Now I think it's too risky. Yeah, definitely. Yep. I recommend to wait for a strong close below Monday high. Yep, brother. You see that M5? You see on M5, you could even look for something like break of structure, bearish retest, down, okay? Like we lose that low. Here we make a break of structure. You see what I mean? Okay, up, and you have your short entry. Boom, down, okay? But you see for now, why we're not entering now? Because we have absolutely no sign of confirmation that this will go lower. So that's why for now we just chill with the long, and we took our profits, so we fine, and we see what happens in 1 hour, okay? Because the chart is based on H4, H1, so we're gonna see what happens with the H1 close. All right, hype, because you wanted hype. Same thing. By the way, hype, we got the bottom together, guys, during a CFT stream. Here. Okay? But now we're gonna do the same. On daily, we see we have strong supply here, and it was a key level. As you can see, key support level. So very important level right here, what you're gonna keep in mind. All right, we're gonna go to H12. Yeah, that one's good. No information. We're gonna go to H4. Okay, what we can notice, we want to isolate this. Okay, we isolate this. What we do notice, LTF uptrend. Okay, we keep in mind this is still an HTF downtrend. Okay, and we have that strong and very important level to potentially go short for a bearish retest on the bearish retest. All right, but until then we're gonna try to ride the uptrend, the LTF uptrend. Okay, so we're gonna do the same. We switch to H1, and we're gonna try to find the level here. Okay, interesting. It's not as clean as the other ones, and it's a little bit more complicated. We have a low here, you see, not taken yet. Also, Monday low has not been swept, so we could go for that low, okay, and then reclaim of the Monday low. That's the first scenario that I see. Otherwise, we can see that we have a lot of imbalance here, and we have an unmitigated order block right here. Okay, so we're gonna focus on that one. It's a bit low though. It's quite low. I'm not sure the market dumps that much, but we'll see. Also, we have that one here, but that OB is not clean. It's not really clean. I wouldn't enter here. The risk reward is not that great. Pretty risky to enter here. Also, it's been tapped already, so I'm not sure. Yeah, that one's not that clean. Not that clean. We have the two options though. We have the two options. We have that option one. Okay, sweep off Monday low again, reclaiming Monday low. Okay, option one, and you could have an entry with a TP1. Oops. TP1. Okay, and TP2. All right, around $20. Second option, that bullish order block right here. Okay, that would provide a very good entry for a swing long. All right, guys. Okay. The 0.5 is here, so that makes sense. Yeah, we have that 0.5 here. That one is a bit more tricky than the other, but that could work. Yeah, that could work right here. Yep. Anything else, brothers and sisters? Go, BTC, go. Anything else? Is Sol pushing? Not much. Oh, AVAX, okay. Okay. Maybe that's worth doing some TA on that one. So same downtrend on HCF, a lot of imbalance right here. So we're gonna zoom in, we're gonna try to find some good entry. Okay, pretty straightforward. Order block here, EMA as well, a lot of imbalance. Switch to H1. Perfect, we can refine. Glad I took some profits yesterday on hype at 17. Swing long from 12.5. We'll add if we get 15. Great, man. Amazing. Very good catch. Congrats on that one. Swing low. We don't have a swing high yet, but let's see. We still have OT right here. That's good. Okay, so we could have an entry here. Yeah, we could have an entry here. That could be interesting. Alert set, $20. Yep. That's really good. BTC. Let's see. Yeah, as you can see, guys, the rally is driven by perps, so you want to be careful with that. All right. People closing their positions, probably shorts being squeezed. We had massive longs being opened. Now we have like close. Yeah. Probably shorts closing though. Probably shorts closing, but yeah, be careful. You don't like to see a rally being driven by perps. Okay, pay attention to that. Any thoughts on AI token in the coming months? I think not a lot will stay, to be honest, Nail. So just pick one or two where you have strong convictions on. Like, I don't know, Fetch, let's say Fetch or Tao, and that's it. Don't spread it too much, you know. Try to stick with one or two. Yep. Yeah. Especially considering two in mind, desync and PAL. I know PAL, I don't know desync. I know PAL, but try to do, let's say, like. Oh, I switched to main scene. Wait. Try to focus on like one big cap, one with a big cap, and one being a small cap. You know, so you can balance the potential risk to reward. All right. I don't know if that makes sense, but for me that would be perfect to do it like that. Okay. So guys, it's time to go for lunch. So do you have any questions before we end the stream? We'll be live again. I think it's Friday. Yeah, Friday for CFT. But in the meantime, I will be live on Twitch and in the Discord as well. Okay, you can find the calendar. Let me send it. I will send it right here. Give me a second, guys. We posted the schedule, I think. And if we didn't, then I'm gonna Yeah, we did. Okay. I don't have to roast my intern. You can go just here. So this is, keep in mind, this is the CRG schedule, not the CFT one. I'm not sure we posted the CFT one yet. Let me check. Let me check very quickly. Not yet. Okay, it's not available yet, but I will be live. I will be live on Friday. LTC, please. Okay, very, very, very quickly. I'm not gonna spend that much time as we did on the other coins, but very quickly. Okay. Thanks again, and see you in the Discord. Thank you, man. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Don't forget, if you join the Discord, you can request a one-to-one session. Can you send? Send what, brother? Link to Twitch? Yeah, sure, sure, sure. Give me a sec. You just go there, Twitch, Obsrah channel, and here you go. What's up, Popeye? Hope you're doing well, brother. Hope you're doing well. So LTC, LTC, LTC. We're gonna start with the daily. All right. All right. Thank you for the follow on Twitch, by the way. Thank you very much. Appreciate. All right. Very clean. That one is very clean. We have a perfect. Enjoy lunch, brother. Thank you very much. You too. You too if you go for lunch. If you have a break or anything. You see here, daily supply. Okay, right here. So this is going to be the main res. Now, like we did for the other, we switch to H12. We're not gonna answer here. Why? Because we have a bearish OB right here. So we're not really interested with the risk reward on that one. So now it leaves us with two options. Either you short here, okay, that rejection, and you wait for a sweep of that low, or you wait for the flip, okay? Same as we did, we're gonna refine, we go to H4. Okay, we see that we had a nice bullish order block right here, but it's been mitigated already. So it lowers the potential, okay, and the probabilities of having a good long from that level. So we're gonna refine again, going to H1. Okay. And we have something a little bit more accurate. We have this, okay? We have this that led to the break of structure right here, okay? You see break of structure. All right, keep in mind we are under resistance. So personally, man, I'm not gonna take that one. Definitely not gonna take that one. I would prefer to wait for something around, let's say here, okay? Around 88, 89. But not here because we have the res here and it lowers the risk reward, okay? But yeah, I would try something like this. Maybe you have some confluence to go with your idea. All right, we have the Mondelo here. Okay. Order block right here, Mondelo right here. .05 as well. And if we take that swing low, we have the OT right here. Okay. So that's your thing on LTC. You have two options. You have two options. You have that one option. You know the deal. Sweep off Mondelo. Stay within that order block. And second option, unmitigated order block right here. Pull back, bounce, you're long. Okay, this is your option 2. So this is 1. This is 2. Okay, 1 being 91, 90, and the second one being 88, 89. Okay, brother? Mr. Romeo? Costea Romeo? Yeah, rate my Italian accent. Okay, so we have the plan for basically everything that looks solid. We did BTC, Ethereum, Solana, Link, Tia, Avax, Hype. That's good. That's good. That's good. So if you have any questions anyway, you know I remain available on Twitter. All right. If you don't have my Twitter, let me share it with you. You can go right here. And thank you very much for attending the stream. It was a good one. I hope it will help. I hope you enjoyed and had a good time. And see you later, guys. Thank you again. And see you this afternoon for the US session and to see the outcome of all the setups that we have together. Bye, everyone. Peace, 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 peace. Cheers.